Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about sign convention. So before starting this video I just need some topics. So if you have, just comment below. So let's start our topic. What is sign convention? So basically sign convention says that the sign of power or voltage in any equation means if there is a circuit and if you want to write equation in that circuit, so how you know that this element is supplying power or delivering power, means its sign is positive or negative. Same for the voltage. So basically there are two conventions that says the sign of voltage and power. First sign convention is active sign convention and second sign convention is passive sign convention. In mostly we basically use passive sign convention. Most of the book written about passive sign convention, but there is also active sign convention, so we have to learn both of them. So first discuss about passive sign convention. So in passive sign convention it is said that if there is current which enters from positive end and exit from negative end, then the power is said to be positive. This is in passive sign convention. While in active sign convention, if current enter from negative side and exit from positive side, then power is said to be positive. So why these two type of convention is made, and what is the individual parameter that shows what does? The simple answer of this all of the question is that the power that we calculated in passive sign convention is basically the power consumed by the element, while in active sign convention the power we calculated is power delivered by this element. That's why we are taking here the voltage drop V is positive, while here we taken voltage supply as a positive. That's why when we calculate, let's say I want to calculate the power delivered by this element in passive sign convention. So how I will calculate? So I will first go in the direction of current, then I will see that here voltage is increase, means it supply the voltage, but we in passive sign convention we concern about voltage drop. So if it supply voltage, positive voltage, it means it's consume negative voltage. That's why we are taking negative V here, and current is I. So if we want to summarize all the things that we learnt, that if in passive sign convention if current enters from positive side, then we said that the power is said to be positive and this power indicates power consumed. While in active sign convention if current enters it from negative side, then it means that power is positive, and here power indicates power delivered. Also one thing we should remember that here power is positive and voltage is positive when current enters from positive end. So in passive sign convention if we want to say this voltage is positive, it means here current must be enter from positive side. While in active sign convention we said voltage is positive when current enters from negative side, okay, and exit from positive side. So let's write the equation of a KVL of any circuit first in passive sign convention, then we try to write in active sign convention. So in passive sign convention, as I said earlier, that if the current enters from positive side, then voltage is said to be positive in passive sign convention. So here as can we see that here current enters from negative side, so here negative voltage, negative V, then here current enters from positive side, then here plus I into R1, voltage drop across R, and here the current enters from positive side, so here I into R2 equal to 0. This is equation in passive sign convention. While the same equation, while the circuit will be same, but if we write equation in active sign convention, then what will be the equation? Here voltage is said to be positive when current exit from positive side. Okay, so here as we see that current exit from positive side, so here plus V, then here current exit from negative side, then minus I into R1, and at last current exit from negative side, then here also minus I into R2 equal to 0. Basically these both equations are same but written in different convention. Here if we send these all element to that side, then it becomes same. So that's all thing about sign convention. Sign convention basically just gives a way to write equation. We just need to follow only one convention, not both. That's the end of